most tamed.
Yeah.
Miley, closer. Yeah, like that.
Sugar's the most tamed, like,
Okay, one's getting closer.
it's Popsicle.
Popsicle, it's your word.
It's my bird!
Ah, you traitor.
Popsicle, you traitor.
Take off.
Wait, I think we can try to hold Sugar, cause
Miley, can you push the that little bit closer? Close it a little bit. Even more, even more. Yes.
Sugar is actually the one that really likes her so much.
Sugar's what?
Sugar's the one that really likes my hand.
Really?
Even when I like bring it up, it's still
Still
like
stays there?
Still, yeah. Sugar, yay! I was expecting Popsicle, but instead, wait, no, Cotton.
Okay. So that's the way. You gotta close it a little bit like that. The door.
At least we know they're starting to like hand anyways. I'm
Yep.
gonna wash my hair.
With soap.
Yeah, with soap.
Wait, Miranda. Miranda, wait. Change their water after Miley fed them.
I'm gonna put water on my hand. Whoops. Done.
Again.
I didn't use my hand, I used my mouth.
How?
Oh.
Really, dude.
Oh, sweet pea. Oh.
Ooh, it's on her hand. Yeah, the Sugar is the one that likes to, get on hands.
Sugar's like, Sugar, Cotton.
Cotton?
No, that was Sugar. No, Sugar's like the most tamed out of all.
Okay, I think they're full. Change the water, Miranda.
What if I put water?